Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of TrueCoach. So let me take you to their website, which is truecoach.co. Now, for the ones who don't know what is TrueCoach, TrueCoach is an online coaching platform designed to streamline and enhance the coaching experience for fitness professionals and their clients. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features that enable trainers, coaches, and gym owners to create, deliver, and manage personalized training programs remotely. So this is one of the amazing tool out there. So if you are a personal trainer, probably you might want to come to their website and sign up for yourself, and you might want to use their platform, the amazing platform they got. But that's not why we are here. We are here to earn money from TrueCoach. Can we earn that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of TrueCoach and start promoting them, basically bringing more personal trainers to them. And when we do that, we will get commission in return. Is it really worth it? Let's look at the numbers. So globally, they're ranking at 23,612, and in the category, they're at number 247. So that's amazing. If you look at the monthly visit, they got over 2 million monthly visits. So it's great. People know them, people who use it, they like it. That's why they're still part of it. So you might want to start promoting them. Let's talk about the affiliate program, shall we? For that, you can come to the website. You can scroll down till the very bottom of the page to the footer section. On the bottom left hand side, click on affiliate refers, which will take you to this page. Over here on this page, if you read the left hand side, you will see welcome to TrueCoach Refer Program. TrueCoach is the #1 platform built for personal trainers, and we would love for you to share it with personal trainers in your network. You'll be rewarded with $75 if they become a customer. Now that's amazing. You're gonna get flat $75 if you bring a personal trainer to them, and if the personal trainer stays with them for around 90 days. So that's amazing. Now, how do you join the affiliate program or the referral program of TrueCoach? For that, look at the right hand side on this section. You just have to enter your name and email address. It's pretty simple. So I'm just gonna enter the dummy details since I'm creating this video for the educational purpose. In your case, ensure you're entering the proper details. So after the name, you can enter the email address in here. You can click on I agree to the terms and condition, read the terms and condition, and then tick mark it, and then followed by click on the register. You could also continue with Google or Facebook. That's totally up to you, but I'm gonna go with this way. So when you click on register, it should take you to dashboard, the affiliate dashboard. So it will load up the details, and as you can see, so this is the affiliate dashboard that it will take you in, and you would be able to see 4 sections in here. Let's talk about the first section. So on the right hand side, you will see register your refers. So there are 2 ways you could bring refers to them. One way is you click on this add refer button. You provide the full name, email address, phone number, and the member notice. Basically, if you know someone, who's a personal trainer, and if you think that person is a good fit for this platform, if the person would like it, probably talk to them and just add their details here as a refer. And then that's one way. Second way, you can copy this link, which is unique to you only. It's a tracking link. You can copy it and you can share it with the people who are probably personal trainers and want to have a platform for managing their clients. So these are the 2 ways. You might want to bookmark this link as well, because let's say you now have an affiliate account with TrueCoach, but how would you log in? For that, you would need this URL. So you can bookmark this URL as well. Now, if you scroll down, you would be able to see share views. So you would be able to see number of visitors, the people who clicked on this link, the refer which got approved, and the payment that's being issued to you. So that's what you would be able to see here. And then if you click on my refers, you would be able to see the list of all the people that you were able to refer to TrueCoach. And then my rewards here, you would be able to see the commission. And then the account section where you would be able to update your profile. Now, let's say you have an account. What if you log out? So for that, you can click on account, you can click on logout. But then how can you log in again? Remember, I told you to bookmark this link, but then it will ask you for the email address and a password. Of course, you can continue with Google or Facebook, but what about the password? So you should have received an email from TrueCoach, which would look like this. Welcome to the TrueCoach Refer Program. You can click on that email and it will give you all the needful links. And The one link would be set up your password. So you can click on this link to set up your password. And there are some requirements with the password as well. So I'll show you what are the requirements. If I try to reset it, I'll get a message. Password must be at least 8 characters, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. So ensure your password should meet this criteria. So let's say if you have a password that meets the criteria, if you're going to enter it, it will look green, and then you can click on reset. So this way you would be able to set your password for your affiliate account. Once you have the set of email address and password, you can use it here on this login screen, and the email address and the password, and you can click on login. It should again take you to your affiliate dashboard that you have with TrueCoach. The question is, how can you promote them? Okay, I understand. I did mention that you could probably add the refer details, but are there other ways to promote TrueCoach? Of course there are, and I'm going to cover a few more. It's totally up to you the way you like to promote them. Just ensure you have read the terms and conditions and you're following those guidelines. But the basic ways to promote them, one is social media. So you might have social media presence. So probably doesn't matter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or other related kind of social media accounts you might have. So you may promote TrueCoach on those networks. The other way you could promote them is through blog. So let's say if you have a blog, you could probably create a blog post for TrueCoach, probably write good things about them, and at the end you can mention that to become a to have an account with TrueCoach and give your tracking link that we talked about. So that's one way. But what I like the most is the direct refer. So let's be honest. Either you might be a personal trainer, you already have a personal trainer, or you know someone who's a personal trainer. So I think direct refer would be better. So whatever way you like, you can promote them. Again, it's not just limited to it, it's totally up to you. And once you start promoting them, as we talked about it, you would be able to see, your refers within my refer sections and reports in here. But then how about the payment for it? How would you receive the payment for the commissions that you have been generated? So there are two ways. Let's say if you are a personal trainer and you have an account with TrueCoach already, so whatever commissions that will get generated in here will be added as a credit to your TrueCoach account that you would be able to use on monthly basis depending on the plan that you have on TrueCoach. But what if you don't have an account with TrueCoach? In that case, the commission will be paid out to you via PayPal. So these are the two payment method they got. One is a kind of credit thing, and the another one is PayPal. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in creating an affiliate account with TrueCoach and start promoting them. In the meantime, if you got anything that you want me to cover in relation to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.